What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to go through my basement. About a week ago we framed the basement, so we're in the very beginning stages of the finishing process. Our plans include a home theater area that's built into the open space. It's not going to be a dedicated room, but rather part of the rec room area that's still going to be an open concept. When I knew we were going to start the framing process, I started doing lots of research, of course, on YouTube. I've watched a lot of different channels that have to do with home theater design. Have a lot of ideas. I hope they turn out and will work in my space. I know there's always areas that you have to adjust and adapt so that it works for the area that you have. So real quick, I would like to say thanks to some of the channels that have given me a lot of inspiration to come up with ideas and just kind of the general know-how of how to put something together that'll hopefully work out. Youthman, Chris Majestic, Two Guys Tech, Build Montage, Home Theater Gurus, Life of Bliss, H Studio 3.0, Dream Media Home Theater Hobbyist Audio Advice. Those are just to name a few. There's plenty more. Sorry I can't mention them all. Those are the ones that come to my mind that I've spent a lot of time watching your guys' videos, so thank you very much. I'm hoping to kind of document the steps in this build from start to finish. Okay, so let's go check out the room and go over my ideas and layouts, see what we're working with. Okay, here we go. Here is our basement space. This half of the rec room right here, that's going to be a bar, a wet bar area on that end. And that area here is going to be our seating. We did finish the bathroom, as you can see there, as part of the initial build. And then the screen side of the wall. So we have obviously two boys. That's their play area, or the office. And then there's going to be a legal bedroom back there as well. So as you can see, where this bedroom sticks out here, it's about 27 inches. I decided to have our framer put 27 inches on this side as well to make it the same and symmetrical on both sides. The distance between those two walls is just over 15 feet. And then the distance between that back wall and the screen wall is also roughly 15 feet or just over. So we've got about a 15 by 15 room. Our current plans are going to be for a 5.2.4 setup. Our seating row is going to be back here, a couple feet out from this back wall. I'm estimating the viewing distance to the screen is going to be roughly 13 feet. That tape line right there that you see is a 135-inch CinemaScope screen. I'm not 100% sure if that's what we're going to go with. It might end up being a 16 by 9 screen at 140 inches. Kind of leaning towards the Epson 6050 UB for a projector. And then I'm going to put the speakers behind the screen with an acoustically transparent screen material. Kind of build a little sound stage there underneath the stairs so that everything can be hidden, including the rack, wiring, all that good stuff. Build a little area out back here on the unfinished side. That's kind of the current plan with that. Hoping to additionally build like an angled wall on these two 27-inch walls that come out on each side of the back wall so that I can angle my rear surrounds towards the seating position. And that is the quick version of some thoughts on layout and how this might work out. That's gonna continue to keep the majority of this room open. Originally I wanted to put the screen on that far wall and then potentially have a riser set up with 2 rows However, by the time I kind of measured that out, it really ate up a lot of real estate on the basement floor. So we kind of, at this point, have it set out with the screen under the steps so that the majority of this basement can be open and it can be a little more practical for our use, and with kids playing down here, still gives us some usable space for other activities till the kids get a little older. So that's what we're working with. We're gonna keep moving forward with some stuff here. I do have some speakers ordered. I'll get into those in the next video. Some of the equipment that I have potentially in mind. If anybody has any questions, please comment. I'm open to ideas. Love to know your guys' thoughts in case I might have missed something. Thanks for watching.